Hey, welcome back, sneakerheads. How y'all doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get started, go ahead and like this video. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Well, the first release this week comes out on June 22nd. Is the Air Jordan 2 Look Up in the Air.
Okay.
These are women's shoes.
This has a white upper. It does have a sail midsole, baby blue sock liner. The outsole features a gray, baby blue, and sail. This is expected to release for a retail price of $150. So let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these?
I would say I could see the missus rocking those. So hey, we give them thumbs up. We rocking those.
This is a drop for me because it's a women's shoe. So I'm not really looking. The colorway is not appealing for these. I
Okay.
am waiting for the UNC low UNCs to drop hopefully next month. So I'm still waiting on those. Hopefully they'll come out. They're supposed to drop this month. And I guess they got pushed back. So I'm still waiting on those.
Okay. Well, right now on the 24th, which is next Saturday, we got the ones coming out. Right now, they do have it for the whole family, men's and women's and grade school. Sizes are available. Right now, going price for men's and women's is 140, and grade school is at 120. Those colors are black, gray, and white. Are you rocking or dropping those?
I'm kind of like I'm gonna rock them because I do like the colorway, but I'm gonna drop them because I do not like the price. This is not a collaboration, and they want $140 for that shoe. That's too expensive, in my opinion. Like
Okay.
regular Jordan ones used to be $110, and then special editions only used to be $120. So I don't know why, or what constitutes them raising the price to $140. Just don't make no sense to me.
Let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Now I do
Okay.
realize they do look like the collaboration, the Supreme and Nike that they did back in the day with,
Hmm.
was pretty much the same color blocking except for where it has black, it has red hits on it. Now, if it was a collaboration, I could understand paying $140, but just for $140, releasing in full family size, to me, when you release in full family size,
So
that's a
let me
general
know in the
release. So
comments, are you
those shoes
rocking
should be
these
cheaper. So
or
they should,
dropping
but
these?
maybe I'll pick them up on sale down the
Right.
line. So we just have to wait and see.
Right. And it does make sense, like you're saying, if it's a family releasing of the shoes, hey, why not give them some type of a discount? So hey, I agree with you there.
Yeah, I
But
mean, even the kid price is 120. I mean, come
yeah,
on, Jordan. I
yeah,
mean, I understand y'all trying to get rid of the resellers, but I mean, what are y'all doing to the regular consumer? Come in the middle, like 130.
right, right,
Meet me
right,
halfway, Jordan.
right. Or find some balance with it. Find
Yeah,
some
but
balance with it.
we know, like all Jordan ones highs have been sitting, and so I don't expect these lows, the Jordan 2 lows or these Jordan 1 lows to do very well. Now consider this is a nice colorway, black and gray. I think some people may love it, but then you have to decide because the economy is bad right now. Now I want to pay for that price, 140. That seems like resale prices. Now I want to pay that up front, or am I gonna wait, see if they sit a little bit and get them on the Nike outlet? So only time will tell.
Okay. All right. Well, listen, if y'all like content like this, hey, check out that video.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.